Do you really want to know more about HIFU treatment? What exactly it is used for and where does it produce best results? I'm Dr. B.K. Garg and plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi in Gurugram at Iconic Clinic. HIFU or high intensity focused ultrasound treatment is meant for facial rejuvenation. This treatment acts by giving high energy impulses of focused ultrasound deeper into your skin and subcutaneous tissues to stimulate collagen synthesis. This leads to tightening of skin and rejuvenation of face. Apart from that, of late, this technique or this technology has been found very useful for vaginal rejuvenation. So far, vaginal tightening had been a surgical procedure with significant downtime, but now with the help of HIFU treatment, we can provide you vaginal tightening by non-surgical means using this new and innovative technology. This technology makes use of high intensity focused ultrasound to stimulate collagen synthesis deep under the mucosa in your vaginal canal, because of which there is a rejuvenation and there are other benefits like helping the resolution of dryness or loose vagina. This treatment has no significant downtime and most of the times can be performed without use of any kind of anesthesia. So if you are looking for non-surgical rejuvenation for face, then HIFU treatment is one of the best available non-surgical treatment modalities. Or if you're looking for non-surgical rejuvenation of vaginal canal, then HIFU can also be treatment of choice. HIFU technology makes use of high intensity focused ultrasound. Virtually any area of face can be rejuvenated. As we can see, we can use it for rejuvenation of forehead, but for tightening of forehead skin, for cheek area, for jawline modification and definition. Even in the chin area, we can use it to define the jawline in better and aesthetic manner. This procedure is virtually painless. We almost never use local anesthesia. Sometimes we make use of local numbing cream to make it completely pain free for few of our patients who feel little anxious about the procedure. So this procedure is virtually free of any downtime. You can walk in and walk out of this procedure. We generally recommend you 3 to 4 sessions of this treatment at a 2 week interval for best outcome. So this outcome of this procedure can last for a long time. HEFU technology can also be used for vaginal tightening procedure. In fact, it has been found that it is more effective than laser treatments used for vaginal tightening. That's mainly because of the reason that high intensity focused ultrasound energy can penetrate much deeper inside mucosa and it can stimulate collagen synthesis in deeper layers of vaginal canal, leading to tightening and rejuvenation. So we use state of the art HAFU technology, which has customized probe, and we ensure that we maintain highest levels of hygiene and privacy while performing this procedure. So this entire procedure is software driven, and we can exactly control the amount of energy which we want to provide for a particular patient. We can change the number of lengths or the angle of our separation of our intensity wave. So this entire procedure can be performed in very safe and hygiene environment. So this is a automatic probe wherein this portion provides energy to vaginal canal, outer walls of vagina. So this is the length, and we may need 1 to 2 rolls of this procedure, and this rotates on its own. I will just show you in a second. See, it can rotate on its own, and this entire device has natural is guided by software, and which ensures that right amount of energy is always provided to vaginal canal.